We're going to the circus. We're going to the fair. We're going to see Senorita with flowers in her hair. Oh, shake it to the bottom, shake it to the top, then turn around until you make us stop. S-T-O-P, spit. What was that song for? Was that a jump rope song? I don't know. I can't remember. But we're going to the circus today. So, I got a little Chick-fil-A to eat. And I'm about to put this on because I'm not good at keeping my clothes clean when it comes to sauces. So this is going to be my little bill. So I'm going to munch on this little bit of food and I'll see y'all inside. Hi guys, today is Saturday and I am super duper tired. I did knotless braids last night from about 6 to 11 and this morning I did some small knotless braids from 9:30 to 3:15 and now it is 4:50. I need to leave out of here at 5 because we are going to try top tier downtown today. I just wanted to tell y'all what was going on and give y'all a late introduction to the vlog because I did not do it before the circus. No, I didn't. I'm horrible at it. I don't do it a lot. I have to make myself remember, but welcome and welcome back if you're not new. If you are new, consider subscribing by the end. If you make it to the middle, consider subscribing, okay? And please, y'all make sure, I need to start making sure I ask. I gotta be out here in the streets begging for likes now. Like, this is, anyway, like the video because that is what, you know what? Thumbs up the video, okay? We'll get more in detail about that later. I gotta get dressed.
I've been in the mood, been in and out, losing my foot and I'm just trying to find a groove. Taking my time, trying to be patient. Feel like the whole world waiting, feel like the shit gon' cave in. I even been struggling dating, hard to get into relations. Just starting to feel like temptations, but making my save and taking me higher. Feel like I'm living a dream. I do it myself with the villages help. See, we on the ultralight beam. See, it's 8 to 5, just my ride to this music shit. Ain't cut no ties, just be wise, no need to speak on it. Cause when it was me, it could've been you. We not that different, baby. And since I changed, I'm in groove. We ain't the same lately.
Oh my God. You're a little early. That girl a little early, ain't she?
I don't know my way around black people, so I probably if what exit is that?
I don't know. I know it's
Where's the venue?
right there.
Woo!
I forgot to tell y'all. I'm sidetracked, y'all. We're going to the Woody because I didn't eat a lot of food at
I didn't eat no lot of food.
Boy, that sounds greedy. I'll talk to y'all and get in there because I can't focus.
After you, Soupy.
Such a gentleman.
Oh,
wait, there's a door right here.
You know some? You want some? Oh.
It's actually funny. I work with some that she got like 372K.
Really?
And it's just like a lady like that you wouldn't think.
Oh, I gotta get out of the stomach though. It's a lot to move.
YouTube. He on YouTube. Hey, what you do, boy? Or what you do? I mean, girl.
Oh,
Y'all beautiful. You see, I got nothing for you, baby.
He said that to try to get money?
Yeah. I ain't got nothing for you, baby.
I got nothing but love for you, baby. I got nothing but love. Oh, I'm embarrassing you, Liam?
No, you're
That's how Liam treat me. Oh, I can't wait to put some hookah in my lungs. That sounds so ghetto, but I'm being honest. What was it?
Did you have a good time?
I did. It was a cute little unexpected moment. Lucky for y'all, I wanted some chicken wings. And didn't even get them. I got on my gym hair because that's where... Now let me tell you something. If you gotta break somebody, you should not have to break somebody's speed when you pull out. If you're gonna pull out in front of somebody, hit the gas. I don't understand why people do that. There is not a nary car behind me. But this Honda had to get in front of me so bad and not hit the gas at all. Anyway, like I was saying, I have on my gym hair because I'm headed to the gym. If I don't do nothing but maintain or whatever, I just need to do that because I know the things that I'm going to do to those oxtails when I get back to Jamaica, okay? But last night was cute. It was a cute little impromptu moment. I just thought, you know, we was going to eat and then maybe go get me another little bite and then come back to the house. But I didn't expect to have the fun that we had at... What's wrong with y'all people today on this road? Lord, let me get to my destination safely and back home. Yeah, I didn't expect her. It is 10:44. I'm about to find a park and I'll see what time I get back in the car. I have a headache from all get out though, but all right, BRB. I just pulled back up at the house. I'm so proud of myself. I really pushed myself in that workout today because y'all see what I ate yesterday. Fried green tomatoes, French fries, fried jalapeno poppers, them Korean egg rolls. Those were fried mushrooms. So yeah, I was sitting there thinking, oh, okay, you want to eat fried stuff? You see what you got to do? Well, I need to do it anyway. But anyway, I'm back at the house waiting on Liam to come out because I told him that I would take him to go get ice cream. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna come back and deep condition my hair. I'm so excited to take these braids out and just sit with some conditioner in my hair. And then I'm gonna make me something to eat and then cook, and that's my Sunday, and I'm glad for it. This boy's so happy about this ice cream. Just open the door grinning. Oh, y'all look, I don't no, you could just set the bags in the refrigerator. You could just set the bags in the refrigerator. You didn't put them on the counter, did you? Okay. Little boys are so easy. I can't compare a girl really because I don't have a girl, but I just feel like it's so easy. Only thing that's hard is they stubborn. Alright.
Can I get cookies and cream and chocolate chip cookie dough?
You said cookies and cream and chocolate chip cookie dough?
Yes, ma'am.
You want it in a cup of cone?
Cone.
What kind?
Waffle cone.
Anything else here?
That'll be all.
Your total is 604 at the window.
Yes, I got the mobile around because I got the money.
604?
Yes, ma'am. How old do you have to be to work here?
15.
Oh, okay. She's so young. She's so cute. She looks like she about 12. So she probably 15. That's why I asked.
Here you go.
Oh, let me get two hands. Thank you.
You're welcome. You guys have a nice one.
You too. Yeah. Don't make a mess in my car, player. Can I have one of that? Because I got some on my hands.
Swag.
right, y'all. I am about to get started on this. I'm kind of nervous. I'm not nervous about making it. I'm nervous about the outcome of it tomorrow. It's supposed to rain. Hopefully there's a good turnout, a decent turnout enough for everybody to make a good profit. Hair is tied up. It's supposed to rain today too, which I'm kind of glad for because it's Friday and I just want to focus on this. Wish us luck. I have the strawberries done. Strawberry pudding ones. I'm so used to making this like for Thanksgiving or something in like one big pan and it's enough for everybody. This only made 16 cups. 16. So I'm gonna make the Oreo ones next and see how much that make. I don't know. This is gonna be my first time out. I don't know if he's gonna want me to double them, like go get more and maybe have like 32 of each, or have, I don't know. We'll see. Oh, I'm using the thing. Is it connected? All right, it's connected. All right, I had to connect my microphone because that generator is loud, so I hope y'all can hear me. And dog, I felt the raindrop just now. I came outside the food truck to put my hair in a ponytail and put on this hat because I ain't trying to deal with no hair in there. The raindrops getting big. I just couldn't come on camera looking like this at first. I had to show y'all that I at least pulled up cute, a piece of cute. All right, it's raining. I'm about to go. Food truck BTS. So whatever don't sell today, hopefully it do though. I'm going to have to take out of the refrigerator and take it back home because everything is running off of a generator. So I can't leave it in here. We ain't got no food done for me to show y'all. And we ain't cooking all up. Well, I ain't cooking. He ain't cooking all up front. Only because we don't know what the weather gonna do. This box. It's drizzling now? Why don't you have to show me how to do this? He held back on the amount of food he was going to prep because we didn't know how many people this weather would prevent from coming out. So on this grill, you'll see some racks of ribs, turkey legs, and on the bottom, you'll see the smoked chicken. While I'm going through and trying to get used to the register, feeling like I'm 17 at my first job again, let me share with y'all the menu that we had available for that day. Two hot dogs, half right? That's it?
No, come on, down.
What is it?
Next.
Oh.
You ain't gotta put that on there.
Why you look so mean?
I look mean?
Yes, who was walking up here?
Girl, I got a mean case of RBF, I guess. Oh, I can't see. It got frost on it. It's a strawberry.
Let me do the strawberry one. I'll fix it.
I said,
You want me to get it? About time you make something.
I've been making pudding. You told me you don't eat it.
What you had brought to the house?
Last time it was a key lime cake, but I brought that strawberry pudding before.
Nobody told me about it. Don't nobody tell me about nothing sweet.
Yeah. Oreo pudding, strawberry. Oreo now.
Two sauces,
What's up, G?
Well, my bad, I'm working. I couldn't focus.
I know it. We talk shit out the wild.
You ain't gonna be out here for 5 minutes.
Why?
You ain't staying out here long. Tell the people, hey, boo.
What's up?
You ain't gonna cuss like you usually cuss, huh?
No.
You doing cash or card?
We got one more sausage ready. Unless you want to spice it, it's real hot.
Yeah.
We got one regular sausage ready. I mean, I get some more ready in a minute. But we got one regular? Yeah, one
And the
regular.
other
One
one's
spicy.
Take the regular. Get them two ladies spicy.
They be real spicy.
They real spicy?
Yeah.
All right, ma'am. You are 28 even.
They be trying to get your attention.
All right, ma'am. Here you go. Thank you very much. Regular one mark. saw somebody else. Oh, I knew you was gonna be bad. I don't know what that one hot dog did, but I knew you was gonna be bad.
That's all we got left more for now. I gotta get some more rest.
Half right.
You got luck.
You doing car or you doing cash? Okay.
You see that, baby?
They ain't cold it.
Huh?
They ain't cold it.
No. I just pull it off. I just cut it for a later.
You got the last hot one, that's what you're saying.
Yeah.
Spicy.
Yeah. Did y'all get one of the spicy ones?
No.
Oh, that was. I think that was the other girl.
Yeah.
Yeah. You want a sandwich? Hot dog.
You used to be where? On Fair Road one time.
You been on Farrell Road? What? You don't work on Farrell Road? No, Academy, Sam's Club? No, this is my first time in the truck. What you asking for, baby? I'm sorry.
I was trying to find a way else, y'all.
Follow Rollin Soul on Facebook. I'm gonna have to get on him about posting where he goes.
I'll put it on there right now.
Hot dog. Y'all listen. Your red beans in here, so we waiting on your sausage. We gotta put more sausages on. But this is his hot dog and barbecue sandwich. He ain't paying me no attention. Thank you.
My red beans.
Your red beans in the bag.
This ain't
Yes, it is. That's your hot dog and pulled pork. And that's his red bean. Yes. And a hot dog. Oh well. I'm on my way home. That was fun. My desserts did not sell out. I did sell 10 out of, did I have 36? Yeah, I had 36, but I did sell 10, which I felt like I didn't have enough, but I'm glad I didn't make more than what I had. But I figured they kind of wouldn't do, if they're going to do good, I kind of figured they wouldn't do good today because this was a cooler fest. So it was BYOB. Everybody could bring their own alcohol. And most people, when they are drinking, they don't really mess with sweets like that. But yeah. But okay. So we'll see what the ones that he has left does. And if they do good, then I guess we'll keep it up. But it was fun. I enjoyed the rush. We had a rush for a good, I mean, all the food sold out. All the food, well, except for my rack of ribs and my red beans and rice that's going on with me. But other than that, all the food sold out. So that was fun. I would definitely do it again. And I would definitely prefer to work like a festival or a field. For the festival was fun because I got to do exactly what I wanted to do and kind of, you know, interact with the people. So I'm going home and take a shower because I've been touching so much money and scrub my hands real good. Find me something to watch. And because I did my 60-day bid, pour me a cocktail. And that is all she wrote for tonight.